Good morning. It's another day, guys, and today we're going to visit again the farm and update you about the development. And today also we are going to plant this amazing durian, mangosteen, and the grafted mango. This is the farm of our late friend Zach Sarian, the famous writer at the Manila Bulletin, Agribusiness. So before we going to the farm, we will have to check the seedlings because we would like to purchase some of the seedlings. Guys, we are decided to have the mangosteen seedlings. So we will have to choose 2 seedlings and durian, right? Ay, okay. Wait lang. Even though Mr. Zach Sarian is not here, still the legacy we can experience because of these exotic plants. If you want to have exotic plants, name it, mangosteen, durian, and other exotic plants available here at Sarian, located at Morong, Rizal. So this one we have to choose 2, and we will have to look for another exotic plants so that we can enjoy later on in the farm. They can recommend you some of the varieties. This is the UP Gold, and then the Montong. So there is a lot of varieties here. So if you want, they can discuss you the result, like this mango. So we have to choose the Golden Queen mango. So we have to purchase. We buy 2 seedlings and then 2 varieties of durian, UP Gold and Montong. Right, so I think this is just enough. So later on, if we have another area, we can buy again here. So if you want to have seedlings like different fruits varieties, available here at Sarian, Morong, Rizal.
You can never sleep in traffic, living steady panic. I know, cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits, just like gadgets. You tell me with the 2 hands, I'm too bad. Wonder what you think's I like. Need me to get your bills paid, that's what you said. Well, guess I'm just too fake for that.
Alright guys, we just bought 3 varieties of fruit trees here at Zach Sarian, Morong, Rizal. So look at this guys. This This is very beautiful durian. We just bought 2 durian seedlings and 2 mangosteen and 2 beautiful mango seedlings. So the mango, which is the giant mango. So if you want to buy seedlings, exotic plants, go here at Zach Zarian or Zarian Farm at Morong, Rizal. So we go to the farm now. We will have to plant these seedlings we bought here in the farm. Let's go, guys.
So sit down, listen, think for a minute. No, it might be hard, cause you're uneducated. Break down, face it, breathe for a minute. I'm about to help you with your manners and respect. Get it? Just uneducated.
Alright guys, before we go to the farm, so we dropped by here at Cafe Gray. This is our friend's cafe here at Pililla, Rizal. If you want to come and have a coffee and enjoy the view, please drop by here at Cafe Gray. So good coffee in the morning makes the travel smoothly in going to the farm. So if you want again to visit Pililla with a good view and good coffee, please visit Cafe Gray. Right, so let's go to the farm, guys. Right guys, we have coffee and some pastry. So we are going now to the farm. It's a beautiful morning, guys. Let's go. Ay, patay. My God. Doesn't matter, guys. So just to continue. Loam soil. Right, so we are done putting the first mangosteen. As you can see, the soil they are using is loam soil. That's why they grow this beautiful grafted mangosteen. So 3 meters away from here, we are putting another one. This one. So guys, we just decided to put the mangosteen at the end of this property because it will grow tall once they reach the maturity of the plant. So instead of putting there, we just decided to put it here. The shade of this area is somehow cannot be blocked with these beautiful trees, mangosteen.